Hi, this is Heather with KeepItSimpleSocialMedia.com. And today I'm going to answer Keith Setter has a question, selling Langley 1 yard at a time. And his question is, hi Heather, can you explain how the insights work on Facebook? Now, I really understand how frustrating, Keith, it can be. Sometimes our engagement goes way up, and sometimes it just feels like nobody is getting our message. And I'm going to try to explain as best I can how Facebook is working today when it comes to who is getting your message and who is not getting your message. So I'm going to go straight into my insights so I can speak directly to you from the experience that I'm having. And you notice this bar here, I can see my engagement has gone way down and now it's coming back up again. Facebook tells me that you have 1,122 people that have come to your Facebook page, Heather, and they've clicked your like button. That gives you permission to send your posting to their newsfeed anytime I post on Facebook. It also tells me that those 1,100 people have 400,000 friends, and that's a really big audience for me to try to get into. And how I get into them, Keith, is through everything that I post, trying to create engagement with my audience. And if those people start to do something with the story, which is the posting that I make, then I can create a little bit of talking about. So what does that mean? That means if they come to my page and click like, if they tag my business page, if they tag a photo, if they add a comment, if they share my information, or they even click the little like button under a posting that I've made, that creates engagement. And the more that that happens, the more opportunity I have to reach these 400,000 people. Now this is created, and then what happens is Facebook tells me how many people a week I'm hitting. Now my number, Keith, goes anywhere from 500 to 12,000 people a week based upon the engagement. And it is a well-known fact that only about 10 to 20% of your followers, your likes, actually get your message. And your message is going to be more exciting if you can create, Keith, some type of a call to action, which means you need to ask people questions, or you need to create a way for them to say yes, no, click like if you agree. So you need to engage in whatever you're posting. It's not good enough just to have a statement about your picture or what you're putting out, but you have to ask it in such a way that your audience can respond to whatever that posting is. And if you go down my page here, which will be the same as yours, you can look at what you posted, the date it was posted, and you can see how many people it reached. And when you find a posting that actually reaches quite a number of people, has engagement going on, and has created a little bit of virality, you need to ask yourself, what did I post? And if you click on it, it'll show you what that posting was, and then it will give you an idea of what your audience really likes to see. And you need to do more of that and less of what's not working. And it's a very good thing to keep an eye on all your posts and the type of virality that you are creating. And then remember to always do more of what's working and less of what's not working. So it's all about creating engagement and how you create a story to get people to talk back to you. This is Heather. I hope that this helps you, Keith. Let's keep it simple. Thank you for the question.